Interview with Alchemist. Translation of an amateur. Hello. Congratulations, today you will learn how to make fake gold 14 karat in Russia. With the right approach you can make all the wildest dreams and expectations. You ask, how? All in order. After listening to this record. And so here we go. The composition of 14 karat gold, palladium 60%, yellow ligature with the addition of brass, 20%, copper 20%. Palladium and copper should be 999. Blavim blowtorch. All this mixed in the crucible. Before melting in the crucible need to throw a pinch of borax to the metal well wrought in the crucible, then bed 6 grams of palladium. After melting the filler, a pinch of borax. Throw 2 grams yellow ligatures with the addition of brass, necessarily. Next, pour a pinch of borax again and throw copper also 2 grams. Then 5 to 7 seconds are distracting in the crucible. Give a bit to cool in the crucible and then take the tweezers. This alloy have his 15 seconds and then thrown into the water to cool, so we get the alloy 14 karat yellow gold. Then go to any jeweler and rolled products, meaning it through the machine. Raskakit alloy in plate. About how to make copper 2 grams. If there is a piece in 10 grams bought, just go to any jeweler, he pliers you buy 2 grams, with a ligature on jewelry scales will measure you need a lot. That most important thing to withstand the proportions 60 to 20 now, and the nuances and all the details and intricacies of the crucible and borax can be found in any jeweler worth a penny. The most important thing is of course palladium. One at the moment quotes palladium $710 on the London Stock Exchange. Here we see also you can find in your city, the palladium at all to get not a problem. Importantly 999 sample. After we get the alloy 16.6 grams yellow gold, we will need to find those who would do us products. There are 2 options. We alone are made in the old Soviet dental equipment, that is we do in dentistry products through his man. Find a dentist have a casting machine and to bring them the stencil and the alloy, or find a foundry that manufactures products to order. The refractory material, the melting temperature of 1500 degrees, respectively, we'll have to look for those who will make the products. In Moscow and in St. Petersburg in about smelting products take 1000 rubles, and when will the turnover you can just negotiate from grandma. Will be beneficial for us in them. But since we are doing the first steps, is better to pay 1000 rubles. This will be enough for the caster. After the articles came out, and we have on hand, we can safely move to monetize our products to a pawn shop or sell on the hammer room, but this time when it will be all arranged just on this site, articles of gold scatter as pies. Consider 1 ounce of palladium is 31.1 grams. We melted 10 grams. 1 ounce, $710 respectively. 10 grams of palladium we came in $230. 3.3 grams of copper in 6 to 7 rubles, and 3.3 grams ligatures with the addition of brass about 30 rubles. Believe 16.6 grams in the pawn shop will take us per gram 1000 rubles, as of the product will be new 16.600 rubles, take at a cost of 9000 rubles equal 7600. Get 80 to 100% of the earnings. If palladium will find cheaper, respectively, the earnings can be 110 to 120%. All this is calculated at minimum cost, so to speak validation. Now let's talk about the real earnings. A month is quite possible to do 2 ounces, but if you live in a city of more than 1,000,000 people, 4 ounce in a month time for you to spit, 2 ounces is approximately 70 to 80 rings, a month not to sell 70 rings. It's likely you have to be cruel lazy, but we with you want to earn. Advise you to start to follow this plan. For the first week do alloy products, sanding them. 2 weeks spread 35 to 40 products, the 3rd week again prepared to do 4 weeks to sell. The Lombards. Total, 2 ounces together with our alloy we get 102 grams of 14 karat yellow gold, that approximately out of 100,000 rubles. The cost of palladium and manufacturing came about 53,000 equal 47,000 plus if you do 10 ounce then 235,000. You probably think about how the sample. Without it not to happen. Pawn shops charge, and without sample inscribed say, yes, anything they buyers and huckster still those. But this is the first time we will be without sample. How to receive $400 to $500 you can find Russian hallmarked 585 real. The beat will be for yourself. About security cannot survive in the product after pawn shop, another 10 lives at least, and the owner past our products could never find just physically. For palladium also sell it to those who are involved components buyers. At first we took them, but the quality is not 999 with them, so be careful. And in general expand the boundaries of thinking. I wish you success in this business, and most importantly know what you all get. In the future I think to replace the palladium alloys, but so far unsuccessful experiments.